This would be the elevator to Dulles in Wheeling, West Virginia. No, I'm coming on. Oh wait, yeah, it's really busy. The other elevator could plus. I see it's busy. There should be. Excuse me.
I guess that's why it's not being put up.
This is this motor.
You what now?
It's been quite a long time since I've ridden this elevator, like maybe 4 years. This is where we were at Cabela's, Triadelphia, West Virginia. I think that's how you say it, Triadelphia. Is that how you say it?
Yeah, try it out.
Which side's gonna open up? Oh, this door.
Oh.
Okay, let's head down. I think that'll be it. This is the freight elevator at Cabela's in Triadelphia, West Virginia. We have found the freight elevator. I'm gonna get right out of here. There's the first floor. Go up to 2. What it has is innovation on it. We also get a quick. That's the motor. I cannot believe when I found the Cabela's in Triadelphia. We're gonna probably get front out of here. And that'll be it.